Did you know there's a few easy things you can do to help prevent your ribbons from fraying on your craft projects? The first is always use a sharp pair of scissors. Dull scissors do not work well for cutting anything, but especially ribbons and trims and fabrics. The other thing I suggest is always cut at an angle rather than straight across. Another tip I use when cutting ribbon is pull it taut between my fingers, cut at an angle, and I get a nice clean cut. Now, if you've already completed your bows or tied ribbon on your cards or other projects, but it's something that might get handled a little bit, maybe a ribbon on a little girl's hairband or little dress or jumper, there's an easy way that you can prevent that fraying. I used to sew bears back in the day, and I would always tie a ribbon and bow around the neck of the bear. And I did this to prevent it from fraying. And I have bears that are probably 30 years old and still have never frayed. I just put a little bit of multi-purpose glue on my finger and dip the end or tail of my ribbons in place, and then I give them a spot to dry, and then they will not fray. I hope you found these tips helpful for avoiding the frustration of frayed ribbons.